I got this product by in PR and it has this white mold sort of a thing all over the tip. Khul ja. It's just not coming out. Hi guys, this is Lisha Batta and welcome to my channel. आज एक बहुत ही मैं चिल वीडियो करने लगी हूँ. आई एम फाइनली सिटिंग ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ माई स्टूडियो एंड मेरे अराउंड बहुत सारे बॉक्सेस हैं जो आप नहीं देख सकते वीडियो में, बट देर ऑल स्कैटर्ड अराउंड. तो आज मैं एक ह्यूज PR अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाली हूँ. सो आई एम एक्चुअली वेरी फॉर्चुनेट. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा PR सैम्पल्स आते हैं एंड मैं 1-2 महीने से इकट्ठे कर रही थी बॉक्सेस की मैं एक यूट्यूब वीडियो भी कर लूँगी. ऑफकोर्स मैं PR अनबॉक्सिंग इंस्टाग्राम पे भी करती हूँ, तो इफ़ यू डोंट फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम मेक श्योर यू फॉलो मी देयर. इनफैक्ट वहाँ पे ना मैं रियल टाइम में करती हूँ. जैसे अगर एक हफ्ते में मुझे काफ़ी बॉक्सेस आ गए तो आई विल डू एन अनबॉक्सिंग देयर. यूट्यूब पे मुझे होता है थोड़ा ज़्यादा इकट्ठे हो जाए तब जाके मैं करती हूँ. तो चलो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So first I have this beautiful box from Benefit. Of course मैंने already खोल लिया था, मैंने दोबारा से पैक किया दिखाने के लिए. And they sent a bunch of items. So actually Benefit ने ये lip balms launch किए थे. These are called the California Kissin lip balms. इसमें एक nude color भी है जो मैंने Instagram पे पोस्ट किया है, so आप वहाँ जाके चेक कर सकते हो. These are so beautiful, इतने moisturizing है and I love the pigment. Then they also sent this mini bad girl bang mascara. ये minis ना बहुत ज़्यादा काम आते हैं मेरे, especially मैंने ट्रैवल, बिकॉज पता क्या होता है, मतलब मैं तो पूरा अपना मेकअप और स्किन केयर लेके जाती हूँ, तो जब भी छोटे छोटे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं ना, दे लाइक सेव मी अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस. दे आल्सो सेंड मी दिस मिनी goof proof brow pencil. I love the brow pencils by Benefit. Precisely my brow मेरी favorite है. I still haven't tried this goof proof वाला, but I'm very excited to give it a try. Then they also sent this mini sa Professional. This is the hydrating primer. And lastly they sent a small sample size of the Benefit Love Tint. So this was a package by Benefit. They also sent me a fruit basket जो मैंने Instagram पे पोस्ट किया था. Then we have this package by theBalm and this is what happens जब आपके घर में dogs हो. उन्होंने already ये फाड़ दिया था and I could not even post it in my stories. So wow, इसमें ना मैंने ELF के भी products डाले हुए हैं. So I will not be showing ELF का goodies. ELF भी आया था मुझे PR पे, but अगर आपको देखना मुझे ELF का क्या क्या मिला था PR में तो मैं ये वीडियो लिंक कर दूँगी. यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स आपको दिखाए थे. So basically they sent the Meet Matchmaker eyeshadow palette. ये मैंने एक लुक में भी यूज़ किया है, which I will link in the description box below. I absolutely loved the balm की eyeshadows. Actually this was the first time I tried them out and this palette is amazing. The shades are perfect for the Indian skin tone and mattes and shimmers इतने ज़्यादा pigmented है and I clearly remember कि इसमें बिल्कुल भी मुझे fall out नहीं हुआ था. I really like this palette. Then they also sent this Meet Match Hues का lip color. This is a very beautiful dusty pink. जो मैं ELF वाली वीडियो आपको बता रही हूँ ना, उसमें मैंने ये सारे products यूज़ किए हैं, तो make sure you check it out. Then they also sent my favorite theBalm Mary Lou Manizer. theBalm is known for this highlighter. It's a cult favorite for so many people. मेरे पास ये already था in the palette form where there are 3 shades, but I'm so excited to get the full size as well. Then there is a Big Date blush. Let me show you how it looks. मेरा टूट गया था तो मैंने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है. Okay, ये खुल नहीं रहा है. Okay, so there's this thingy which opens it and it's a very beautiful dusty pink, but as you can see टूट चुका है. It was very very soft and oh damn, ये already निकल आया है. Yeah, I really like this color, but unfortunately now this will have to rest in peace. Then ELF के कुछ products निकल रहे हैं theBalm के box में. These are some of the ELF goodies. And by the way, मैंने आपको highlighter and eyeshadow palette इसलिए नहीं दिखाया because मैंने genuinely सिर्फ डब्बे रखे हुए हैं. I've already kept the products back inside my drawers. So if you want to see how they look like, check out that ELF wala video where I used it. Then we have this gorgeous box by Olens. So मैंने basically giveaway किया था Olens के साथ on Valentine's Day and they were kind enough to send me a huge box of eye lenses. So they sent me this candy hazel lenses. I got this in a daily pack. I actually prefer daily lenses because I am bad at storing them. मैंने जब भी monthly lenses लिए हैं, जब मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम खोलती हूँ ना, उसमें से आधा टाइम तो लिक्विड ही इवेपोरेट हुआ होता है एंड द लेंस एंड्स अप ड्राइंग आउट. सो आई प्रेफर जब भी जिस भी रेंज में अवेलेबल हो, आई प्रेफर बाइंग द डेलीज. देन दे ऑल्सो सेंट मी द स्पेनिश ब्राउन डेलीज. Then I got the Russian velvets. This is in the monthly pack. I also got 2 of these Spanish real olive wali lens. In fact, I'm wearing those today. Then they also sent me the Russian velvet in green. Olens is my favorite brand of contact lenses. मैं सिर्फ Olens के ही lenses use करती हूँ. मैंने बाकी lenses भी try किए हैं, but इनका इतना soft lens होता है, and I have super sensitive eyes, so these do not bother me. And in fact, जो इनकी Spanish and Russian वाली range है, the Russian velvet and the Spanish range, the lenses are so beautiful and they look so natural on my eyes. The greens and the browns are amazing. You must check out the Russian velvet grey also. It's so stunning if you want like a very light blue, light grey kind of a color. Then we have this really cute package by Disguise Cosmetics. They reached out to me on mail and I was so excited because I have been hearing so much about this rainbow oil, and in fact मेरे को आए हुए 1-2 हफ्ते हो गए ना. Really want to use it, but I'm currently testing a lot of skincare products. But this is what the packaging looks like. So I've been hearing very good things about this product, and इसमें grapeseed oil है, olive oil, avocado oil, marula oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, apricot oil and pomegranate extracts. मैंने बहुत YouTubers को देखा, they rave about this product, and I have very dry skin, and this is really good for apparently hydration. And they also sent me the calming and cooling sorbet. What exactly is this? Is it like a moisturizer? Oh yeah, it's like prime, prep and hydrate. So basically it primes your skin, it hydrates your skin, and also this brand is cruelty free, 100% vegan and paraben and alcohol free. I really love their packaging as well. I love coral, and I think this brand looks very young and vibrant and fun. So मुझे नीचे comments में बताओ if you've used anything from Disguise Cosmetics. This is my first time trying out the brand. Then I got this beautiful package by Cuffs and Lashes. ये box इतना pretty है, and I love it when brands ना actually send you packaging that you can reuse. अब जो cardboard वाले boxes हैं, बड़े वाले तो I use for storing my makeup, but छोटे वाले just have to give them away, and ये लोग इतना invest करते हैं packaging में कि it breaks my heart to one throw it away. Secondly, it leads to so much of wastage. तो अगर कोई like boxes भेज दो तो please send something we can utilize later on. So they sent this very beautiful teal box, and इसके अंदर, so basically this is in collaboration with Shy Styles. So basically Shy Styles and Cuffs and Lashes have collaborated to come out with their own range of brushes as well as an eyeshadow palette. So this is what the brush holder looks like. बहुत pretty है. यहाँ पे Cuffs and Lashes like Shy Styles भी लिखा है. Let me show you the brushes. Okay. So it comes with 11 brushes. These are the face brushes. I can see a stippling brush, a blush brush and a contouring brush. And then these are the eye makeup brushes. They've included quite a bit of blending brushes, which is what I like. They've also included a precision brush and like an angle brush. तो अगर आप इसका रिव्यू देखना चाहोगे then please comment down below. I would love to do it for you guys. मैंने अभी तक यूज भी इसलिए नहीं किया because I'm thinking मैं रिव्यू कर दूंगी, so I don't want to show like used brushes. but मुझे ना ये brush holder बहुत पसंद है, and these are so convenient because storage में काफी help करता है. Like I also have the yellow brush holder, the brush set, and I store all my eye makeup brushes in that holder. Then they also sent across their beautiful palette. This is a 4-in-1 palette, and the glitters and the shimmers in this palette are amazing. I've actually had the chance to use them, and while I really love the glitters and the shimmers and even the mattes are very good, but ये बहुत जल्दी आई shadows टूटती हैं. They really need to work on the pressing of the eyeshadows. अब भी मैंने खोला है and I can see some eyeshadow, some brown eyeshadow has fallen on my screen, and like you can tell एक eyeshadow ना हर palette में टूट गया. And because थोड़ी सी फिनिकी सी पैकेजिंग, मुझे बड़ा आराम से इसके साथ काम करना पड़ता है. But then again, it's such an affordable palette. You can't really expect too much, but shades बहुत pretty हैं, and I love the concept. But I hope थोड़ा they work on the pressing of their eyeshadows. Then I also got a package by MAC. They sent across this refill of the blush. It's in the shade Sun Bask, and they also sent me a lipstick which was in the shade Taupe. मैंने already अपने dresser में रख दी है, and honestly I'm shooting this video at 11 in the night. I've already shot 3 videos. तो मैं काफ़ी थकी हुई हूँ, तो अब मैं दोबारा नहीं उठ रही उसको निकाल के दिखाने के लिए. But yeah, they sent across a lipstick and a blush. I also received this beautiful package by Colorbar. Colorbar बहुत अच्छी packaging करके देता है, and I love receiving their products. So this is what Colorbar has sent. They've sent across the lip liners. They've sent their matte liquid lipsticks, but इसमें हल्का सा shimmer है, and they've also sent their kiss proof lipsticks. I love the lip liners. एक इसलिए missing है because I've already used it. It's a beautiful coral nude, and the only thing I did not like about the lip liners फिलहाल in first usage was they're not retractable. मतलब अगर आपने निकाला तो you have to be careful, थोड़ा ही निकालो because उसको वापस नहीं आप कर सकते. Also initially तो बहुत ज़्यादा wind up करना पड़ रहा था पेंसिल को. I'll show you. It's just not coming out. एंड न्यूड वाले को भी यूज करने के लिए मुझे इतनी बार उसको ट्विस्ट अप करना पड़ा ना, इट टुक मी लाइक अ गुड मिनट और सो नाउ इट हैज कम अप एंड इसको आप वापस नहीं कर सकते. ओके, देन आई रिसीव्ड अ पैकेज बाय नेचर्स कडल. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अ न्यू ब्रांड टू मी, बट मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे इनके प्रोडक्ट्स. So they sent across the steam distilled rose water. I was actually looking for a steam distilled rose water. I was thinking मैं the natural wash का लूंगी, but I'm excited to give it a try. And पूरा box ना smells amazing of roses. They also sent an Upton face pack. Then they sent across this rose and honey soap. Look at this, guys. कितना cute है. This would make for such a good gifting option. I cannot wait to start using this. Then they sent this lip and cheek tint. मुझे color ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं. I prefer like reddy pinks or like warm pinks. This is like a very mauvey pink, but wow, smells too sweet. Also, I do not like this spot packaging. I struggle a lot. Nails घुस जाते हैं उसके अंदर. Product gets underneath the nails. It's just an unhygienic situation and a tricky situation. Then I also got this almond oil by them. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. It's a virgin and organic cold pressed oil, and on the packaging they mentioned that it's very beneficial for lightening the dark circles and pigmentation. Then I also got a package by Renee, and they sent across this huge box for a liner. So they sent across the holistic pointy end sketch pen eyeliner. I haven't used anything from this brand. So wow, okay, so I think I received this product like 2 or 3 months back. Wow, I can't believe what I'm seeing. So I got this product by Renee in PR, and it has this white mold sort of a thing all over the tip. FYI, this was a sealed pack. I just opened it. There's been no contamination, and yeah, this is what I got. I hope you guys can see the mold. There's a white fungus like growth all over the tip. This is so disgusting. And you know, this is why it's so tricky to promote newer homegrown brands, because honestly the quality check on some of these products is so bad. Then I also got this beautiful pink potli by Aisha Accessories. They sent across the yearly planner to me. They always sent across the planner to me every single year, and I think that's such a sweet gesture on their part. So it's a very fun, pinky, girly planner. And they also sent these beautiful heart earrings. Then I got a package by Lakme. So they've launched a new range of eyebrow pencils. Some of these are with a fine tip. Some come in a sharpenable form like this. Then there's another one which comes in a slightly angled form like this. This is a little thicker, but it's great for filling in your brows. I absolutely love the Micro Brow Perfector. In fact, this is the one that I've used today, and the shade is just perfect for Indians. It's a dark taupey brown color which looks very natural. Then I have another package by Lakme, and they sent across their matte moist range. I'll actually be testing this out in the next few weeks, especially with summers coming up. I prefer, you know, slightly more matte, more lightweight products. So we have the mattifying moisturizer, we have the toner, as well as the clay face mask. Then we have a package by India. So India is actually a fashion brand, but they forayed into skincare. So they sent across the activated charcoal hyaluronic acid mask. I actually tried it on the very first day and I loved it. And they also sent the acai berry and jojoba serum. I've yet to give it a try, but it sounds amazing. And look at this. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this soap bar. It has all these flower petals in it and it smells divine. Along with that, they sent their apple cider and aloe vera hydrating face wash. Then they also sent across a jade roller, which looks a very bad quality, by the way. I think it's not by their brand, but it looks like a very sasta sa jade roller. I think I might be putting a lot of these products in a giveaway. So yeah, you know what you gotta do. You gotta follow me on Instagram to stay updated with all the current giveaways. Then we also got a package by Colorbar. So actually मुझे बहुत पहले आया था and मैंने ना अपना like मेरे पास एक wardrobe है जहाँ पे मैं सारे PR samples रखती हूँ before, you know, I show them on Instagram or on YouTube. तो मेरा ये पीछे होता गया I completely forgot about it. So, Colorbar is actually a brand by Aishwarya and her fiance. I think by the time this video goes live, probably her husband. So, she sent this beautiful cohort set. Top मैंने already पहनी हुई है. As you can see, it looks so nice. And she also sent across this bottom with it. It's slightly like a harem pant, but not really also. I gotta wear this to figure it out, but I love the quality of the material. Along with it, she also sent a matching mask. How do I look, you guys? And then she sent this black skirt. Now this is one of the best sellers. I think I've seen a lot of people wear it and it's such a comfortable material, but I don't think it mujhe fit aayega. This is the size medium and I am actually a size, I'm in between small and medium, but it thoda sa mujhe chota lag raha hai, but maybe it's like a fitted skirt. And then we have another mask in black. And lastly we have a box by K Beauty and मैं सबसे ज़्यादा इसके लिए excited थी. So K Beauty has basically launched their range of foundations and khul ja. So they sent across 4 shades to me and guess what, it's a hydrating foundation. I have dry skin and बहुत rarely India में good hydrating foundations launch होती है by Indian brands because we do live in a tropical humid weather. So I was very excited to give it a try. In fact मैं इसका proper wear test and review करने वाली हूँ. I don't know ये वीडियो कब लाइव होने वाली है, बट अभी तक फाउंडेशन लॉन्च नहीं हुई है, बट आई विल बी पुटिंग द वीडियो अराउंड द टाइम इट लॉन्चेस. तो अगर वीडियो ऑलरेडी लाइव हो चुकी है तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर लेना, द रिव्यू विल बी देयर. एंड इन फैक्ट आई हैव बीन टेस्टिंग आउट दिस फाउंडेशन फॉर द पास्ट कपल ऑफ डेज. आई एम वेयरिंग इट टुडे एज वेल. लव द शेड रेंज. जो इन्होंने मुझे 4 शेड्स भेजे हैं, 2 ऑफ द शेड्स आर वेरी क्लोज मैचेस एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे ट्राई टू सेंड मी अ वैरायटी ऑफ लाइक अ स्लाइटली डार्कर शेड, स्लाइटली लाइटर शेड एंड 2 शेड्स व्हिच वर वेरी क्लोज मैचेस. सो विद दैट वी रैप अप दिस ह्यूज PR अनबॉक्सिंग. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करती हूँ अपनी YouTube वीडियोस के लिए. YouTube वीडियोस बनाना इजी नहीं है बिकॉज मैं खुद ही शूट कर रही हूँ, मैं खुद लाइटिंग सेटअप कर रही हूँ, मैं बार बार मेकअप चेंज कर रही होती हूँ फॉर डिफरेंट वीडियोस सो दैट ये ना लगे सेम वीडियो सेम मेकअप करके आ गई है. तो जेन्युइनली इफ यू लाइक्ड वाचिंग दिस वीडियो देन प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन एंड ऑल्सो शेयर इट ऑन योर सोशल मीडिया चैनल. And if you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well. I also have an ongoing giveaway जहाँ पे आपको बस मेरे YouTube channel को subscribe करना है and Instagram पे follow करना है to enter. तो make sure you check out the post on my Instagram and comment there. So yeah, that's it for today. You can also check out some of my other beauty hauls and I will see you guys the next time. Bye.